ดีออนิวเชฟโรเลตโคโลราโดข้าพเจ้าโจเอเวนเจอร์มื้อนี้ข้าพเจ้าจะพาท่านผู้ชมมาฟังประสบการณ์ของผู้ที่นำไส้ออนิวเชฟโรเลตโคโลราโดไปกันเลย
As soon as we drove into Laos, our first impression was very nice because of the people, because of the cities that is very organized and clean, and also because of the beautiful nature that you have here.
This car has many systems for control. I like very much two controls, the collisions, the anti-collision system and the stability. I like two systems, the anti-collision systems and the stabilized control.
Find new roads, Chevrolet.